Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, y'all, I hope y'all had a blessed week. I am back. And this is the first of 5 videos in a row. And y'all know, if y'all saw my email, my post on all my social media accounts today, I'm doing, this is Thursday deal, well, it really is Thursday, this is Wednesday for me, so for y'all it's going to be Thursday morning deal of the week. And I'm so excited, y'all. I can't get my heart to start beating so fast to show y'all something that I've been using for about 2 months now. And the company reached out to me and gave me an awesome deal, and I'm going to explain to you in detail. I never pushed a product on y'all as much as I'm going to do this one. This is Micah, and I don't know if I'm saying the company name right, Michelangelo's, yeah. Cooking pots and pans. Let me show y'all. This is, if y'all watch my, for the last couple of months, especially my Friday night fish of the week, TGI fish of the week, you see I be using these nice pans, these nice heavy duty pans to fry my fish in. Old school soul food family member sent me these a couple of months ago, almost 3 months ago, and I fell in love with them. I haven't used another skillet since. Of course, I use my cast iron skillet for things like that. But these is the best skillets I ever used in years. I mean, I've been cooking. Y'all know how long I've been cooking. These things are amazing. I like the hard bottom of them, the non-stick inside them, and it's just so much to tell you. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to step off. These are the ones I've had before. I'm going to step off, come back, because give me 1 second here, y'all. I got a box here. This is what they sent me. The company sent me this box here to review and to show y'all, and I'm gonna show you the price afterwards. Let's open this up. Open this up here and show you what I got here. And I've had these in my house here about a month. I just haven't got to it because I had to do other, you know, deal of the week items that I got before. And it's like I say, y'all, I get so many companies reach out to me for certain things. And like I tell them, if I don't believe in it, if I don't use it, I'm not going to promote it. That's just where I am. I'm not money hungry or desperate like that. So this is the name of the thing. I think that's Michelangelo. I say Michelangelo. But that's the name of these skillets. So I'm going to do a little unboxing here, y'all. Do a little unboxing here. Little by little here. Okay. I have all this trash and stuff all in my floor here. Just like unboxing the Christmas present. But like I say, these are things I know that's good. And the thing about this here, they so heavy duty. See that? And these got the nice finish on them, which I like. These are more decorative than the ones I got already, but it's the same type pot. Okay, we got this one here, small little sauce pot, I would call it. Okay, let me put this here paperwork to the side. Get the next one out here. The skillet pretty much like I have already. Another skillet. Like I said, y'all, these pots and pans are amazing. Got a skillet here. It's supposed to be a 12 piece here. Got another spatula and a ladle here. Put this to the side. Oh, y'all got this all in my dishwater. Hold on just a second, y'all. Stuff over here. Okay. Y'all still with me here? Okay, y'all can see here. Make sure y'all can see. Okay. Alrighty. Got a big another. Here come this is like a sauce pan. Got a top to this one too. Give me 1 second, y'all. Put this thing out here. There we go. Pot here. Alrighty. The other one out of here. It's all bubble wrap, y'all, so that's what's taking me so long. I'm doing this live. Alright. There's the pot there. one more, a couple more in here, y'all. It's a little egg skillet, I call it. Nice egg skillet. See that? One more should be in here, y'all. One more, yeah. This is the like a little pasta pot that you can put this in here like this and do like a steam. You can steam your vegetables and things like that. And that's it, y'all. In this box. Like I was saying, this is the most amazing. The thing about this, y'all, if you got induction cooker, if you got the flat stove, you know, like I don't like those, I'm like gas, but those work too. The little flat, these works perfectly on there. Some of the pots and pans, see how the back of it, that's what makes it sit flat. And induction, the little glass top ranges that some people use, this is perfect for them. But like I say, I love the non-stick. This thing is so easy to clean. That's another thing I love about them, the way they clean so easily. If you go on to Michelangelo, I'm going to put the link on the bottom of the video, in the description of the video. Plus, when you go to that link, there's a 20% discount code in there. I forgot the name of the code. I'm going to write that all in the description of the video. There's a discount code in there for 20% off. And there's an expiration date in there. I don't know what the expiration date is, but I would personally reach out to the company, because the lady, she emailed me a couple of days ago, asked when I was going to put the video up. I'm going to personally ask her to extend that discount code for y'all. So, because these things cost, I'm going to tell you the price, and it's worth it. It's a big price. Like I said, that's why I needed a 20% discount. It's about $189 for these things. But I promise you, you will never buy any more pots and pans again once you get these. Because y'all know I'm very keen on this here. The bottom of the pot and pan. If y'all seen my video about the pots and pans and things like this, I'm very particular about a thick pan and a heavy bottom. Because if you... number one, it doesn't wear out a lot. Number two, you don't burn your food. That's why this one here, you never see me burn nothing in these pots and pans. You never see me burn anything. But I love these. I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos with these. Matter of fact, I know what I'm gonna use with this one. I got a, you know, my banana cream pie coming up Friday, and this definitely what I'm gonna use this for. Make my filling in there. So we're going to see how it comes out. And then I got another egg skillet. You know, another egg or omelet skillet. And then this is amazing here. Of course, I think some of these, I don't know if this is interchangeable. We got this pot here. Like I said, you got a steamer right there. Put your water in there. Put your vegetables in there. Voila. You got a steam basket right there. But anyway, y'all, I just want to share this with y'all. I've been holding on these for about a little bit over a month. The company reached out to me. Michelangelos.com. Everything will be in the description box. The price, the link, the product code, everything for you. It might be something you can buy for Christmas. But I promise y'all, I never promote things like pots and pans unless I believe in them. And y'all have seen me cooking in the pot and pan before I even brought these out for the last month and a half. I love them. I fell in love with these things from the day I got them. Because I know how heavy, dude. You know, I've worked in the food industry for many years. And I know the importance and the value of a good pot and pan set. And these are going to be awesome additions. So anyway, y'all, that's it for this week's Old School Soul Food Deal of the Week. Hope y'all like this video. If you have, a lot of these is not interesting to a lot of people unless I'm cooking. A lot of people, even if I write things down, people don't read it. But that's going to go back to haunt a lot of people, especially these type videos. Because I'm going to start saying things in this video. And I'm going to ask people later what I said in this video, and I'm going to be giving stuff away starting in January. So people that don't watch these little videos, they're going to be just kind of stuck out or left out. And even when I type things in, I write things, you know, on the blogs and stuff on my Facebook, even YouTube. A lot of people don't, I can tell, it's an analytic thing. You can tell when people click on it, even respond to it. There's different ways and analytics that Facebook and YouTube show you the activity in it. A lot of people don't read it. A lot of people will not read anything unless they see your food on there. It's a recipe. A lot of people won't watch my video unless I'm actually cooking something. Which I understand. It's old school soul food. It is 95% cooking, but yeah, I just found that interesting. But anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021, help somebody, old school soul food. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.